St. Gabriel's a small community, and it really has a lot of strong ties back to agriculture. So for one of our biggest manufacturing sites to be in a local rural environment, I think that's just really unique.
Having a large footprint in this community, we're well known. So we have 7 chemical plants in the St. Gabriel community. We are the largest. We employ the most. With that comes some responsibility. We put a lot of focus on going out in the community, tutoring, mentoring. We do all kind of projects to help, the town of St. Gabriel.
We help with the 2 local schools and the senior citizens and local residents.
School events, we have STEM projects that we work with the children. We have career awareness where we send our engineers into the schools to speak to the children, to offer guidance, to go to our PTAC school here in East Iberville.
Me personally, being from Louisiana has a rural agricultural background, so I feel a certain sort of kinship. I grew up in the fields around here. Without Syngenta, the local community would not look like it does. My family has been able, because of Syngenta in this facility, has been able to pay for college, my own home, just the economic impact, knowing that whatever I make here, the impact exponentially goes down to the mom and pop shops, right? The local caterers that we use, even some of the local vendors or totes that we make, all are made here. The pallets, the wood pallets that we have, that's made just across the river, still in Parrish.
A lot of the families that work here have family members that are farmers or they grew up in farming families. I think a lot of people get this strong sense of purpose when they come to work here because it ties back to something that they know.
When you have a site with about 400 Syngenta employees and about 500 contractors, seeing a site like this work together, work for the community, and I know people say it at other places, and I'm sure it's true, but I truly feel like we're a family here at the site. Everybody comes together, and it's just a good feeling.
I really enjoy being involved in this community organization because it helps create a stronger, more vibrant community for everyone.